Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're looking at this Motorola, I think it's, let me see what it is. It's the V385 or 65. I have my other one over here. This one is with Singular. This one we got in the Motorola lot. And every time you put a battery in it, it would keep that light up and then it'll turn right back off. And so I ripped this little cover off the board. As you can see, it looks like there has been water damage. So I started ripping off this board, and if you can see in there, maybe there's some corrosion in there. So I'm going to pause the video and finish ripping off the shield, and we'll see what we can find under here and see why it's not turning on. Alright, so I ripped off this metal shield, as you can tell. What I do is I grab a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull it from the solder connectors where it's soldered down at. It looks like the board itself looks fine. I'm not too sure why it's not having any power or why it keeps turning on and off. We're going to take the rest of these shields off and maybe find something. Otherwise, this is going to be another drop test phone. So let me go ahead and finish working on this, and I'll get back to you guys. Alrighty, I got the rest. Got the rest of these shields off. These smaller ones just clip on and off. That's pretty cool. And then this one, the other bottom one right here, you have to rip it off. But it looks like there's no water damage in here. The charging port looks like it has water damage in it, though. Or something's wrong with that charging port. So, oh no, let me go and slap the board back in, and we'll see if we can get it to turn on and see what happens. Alrighty, so we almost got it back together. We got this little shield that goes right here. This whole backing plate. And then let's grab a Singular SIM card and slap in it. Maybe. Alrighty, and then the battery is right here. Yeah, I don't have the tripod right now. See, that's what it does, and then it won't do it again. So I guess, guys, this is going to be another drop test phone because it's dead. The other one I have is actually Singular as well. So, alrighty, guys. Well, there's a little update on this one. The other Motorola phones, this one works. I'm going to slap the battery in it and show you. Go ahead and start up with the Motorola ones. It works just fine. No passcode, nothing like that. I'm going to grab the battery. Whoops. Okay, and then we got, I dropped it. Sorry, battery. We got the, this one, the W365, which is dead. Let's see, we got the Motorola V120 with Verizon. Works just fine. The battery that came with it charged up just fine. It is fully charged. I've done some playing with it and it works just fine. The Motorola V60 with Singular works just fine as well. You can tell it's Singular phone. Maybe. Yeah. Righty, and then this Motorola W260, it does work, except for its track phone. And if you all know track phones, we do not have the original SIM card for it, so it's completely trash, basically. Alright. So we're going to look at this one. I mean, it looks good shape, though. but we don't have the original SIM card. So I put a track phone one in there. I put 3 or 4 different ones in there, and all it says is rejected SIM. These 3 Motorola C139s. Make sure they're all C139s. Yep, this one is a SIM card I've been testing out with. That's a track phone one. All of these turn on, but don't have the original SIM cards. So once again, they say the same thing: rejected SIM cards. So they're kind of trash. Let me get these Sony Ericssons out of the way. Here's the Motorola V176. It's track phone. Of course, I'm missing the SIM card. So once again, it says insert the original SIM card. Basically, this Nextel, I don't have a battery for it. Don't know anything about it. So, and then we have this. Let's see, the V400. It works, but the hinge is kind of broken. And the screen turns on and turns off sometimes when it's flipped because of the, I think the cable's ripped in there a little bit. Let me see if I can find the battery for these ones. I think it's right here. Yeah, here it is. Here's the Motorola V385. It does turn on. I'll go and do a startup of the other one too. I hope this battery's not dead. I forgot this Motorola as well. This one works just fine. I was able to reset it. It didn't have a passcode or anything on it. Let me go grab the battery for the, I guess it's right here, never mind. Couldn't find it. Okay, so let's turn this one. This one has the lines through the LCD. I was able to get the passcode for it. It's unlocked and everything. So I just have to reset it. I haven't reset it yet. Okay, I'm sure something's wrong with the LCD, but it does still work. Let me mute my messenger real quick. Okay. So it works just fine. Just got to reset it the rest of the way. And then we'll pull the battery out of this one. Let's go ahead and put it in this. I have to find a different battery for this one, and I think this one, yeah. So I think that's all of those. Let me grab the battery for these two, and we can test these out. I just took the battery out of the V60. This one I haven't reset either. But you can see this hinge is just not. It's broken right there. I did order another one of these as well. And see how the screen's white? You shut it, open it again, it's normal. Shut it, open it again, and it's completely white. So, it's something to do with the ribbon cable, I'm guessing. Or maybe a software glitch. So there's that one. And the last one is this V266 with US Cellular. I was able to mess around with it for a while, but then it just turned off by itself, and I couldn't get it to turn back on until I pulled the battery out. So, but it's in really good shape. Doesn't look like any signs of water damage. But yeah, so I was on it for a while and going through the reset process, and then it just shut off and wouldn't turn back on until I pulled the battery out, and then it turned back on. So out of this eBay lot of the Motorola's, we got 1 working, 2 working, 3 working, 4 working ones, 5, 6, 7 working ones, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 that do not work. So Yeah, not too bad. I don't know. We might drop test one of these or give them away. I'm not sure what to use the stupid track phone phones. I don't like track phone. I never have. So, hope you guys enjoyed the little update and stay tuned for the next one.